Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the book of baby memes. Now this is obviously a play off of the book of meme token that was very popular. This ticker symbol for this token is baby, BOME. And this token is on the Binance Smart Chain, and they are just about to start their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. It's a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. They have a full audit, and pre-sale is just about to start. I'm going to leave a link to the pre-sale in the description box and in the comment section down there so you guys can easily find this pre-sale. We're going to go over the information on this token here and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. I am going to leave a link to the pre-sale down below, like I said, so you guys can easily find what I'm talking about here. Now, it's going to be a public pre-sale. Anybody can get involved, but there is a max buy of 1 BNB per wallet for this pre-sale. And that's to decentivize whales from buying like an insane amount of tokens and then, selling an insane amount of tokens all at once and then dumping the price and all that type of stuff. So, obviously that's not good. So that's why they have the 1 BNB max buy for this pre-sale here. Now it says the book of baby memes on BSC, full audit, experienced team, based team, buyback and burn events, coin market cap and CoinGecko fast track, contract renounced at launch. They're going to have DEX tools, DEX view, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, DEX screener, AveDex, and BSC bot trends at launch. Now they were audited by Analytics Audit, and you can review the full PDF of that audit on PinkSale. So I have seen some other baby book of meme tokens come out on Solana. I actually saw 2 of them. I just uploaded a video on the one that was more popular. And this is the first one that I've seen come out on BSC. Well, the first one that, as any, some tokens will come out and they're just, who knows who made them. There's no socials, no web page, this and that. This is on PinkSale. It's got a full audit. It's got a web page, socials, all that type of stuff. All the stuff you would expect anyways. So this is the first token that I've seen like that about baby book of meme on the Binance Smart Chain. So baby BOME, all one word, is the ticker symbol. Book of baby memes is the name. 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply here of 420 quadrillion tokens. Initial market cap estimate for this pre-sale is $8,758. Soft cap is 10 BNB for this pre-sale, and there is no hard cap, so pre-sale is just basically going to go until time runs out. So the pre-sale is just about to start basically around when I upload this video. So if you're watching it, you can click on the link down there if you want to go check out the pre-sale, and it should be close to time to be live. And yeah, it's starting exactly March 18th at 14 hours UTC time, and it's going to go until March 20th, 17 hours UTC time. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale, you're watching this video way later, first of all, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to a PancakeSwap. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the BabyBome token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, which is babybome.io. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll have a look at that in a minute. You can find their Twitter in the corner of the screen over there. It is at BabyBome token, and has a link to their Telegram on that Twitter there and their webpage. They just joined in March 2024. Brand new project, 2,813 followers, 5 tweets so far. So yeah. Lots of cool stuff here. Their Telegram has 3,562 members. 605 of them are online. That's a great place to discuss this project with community members. And they just got listed on Moon Talk, which is a token listing site. Looks like they just sent in their ID request for a coin market cap, so that should be coming soon. And possibly, I'm sure they'll have a request for CoinGecko coming soon as well. So the coin market cap one is on their Twitter there. And yeah, so this token's webpage has tokenomics, roadmap, socials, their audit, partners, info, all sorts of stuff. And then just the link to the pre-sale again is down below if you want to find it. So the Book of Baby Memes on BSC. BabyBome is the Bible of memes on BSC. It is one of the true record holdings of the past, present, and future of meme culture. The documentary of every baby meme that ever existed will find its way to the Holy Book of Memes on BSC and live on-chain forever. Now, their partners, BSC Daily Analytics Audit, ApeDex, Dex Tools, and Pink Sale. So you'll be able to see the chart later on Dex Tools when it goes live. So token distribution, 95% of the tokens go to pre-sale and liquidity. 5% goes to central exchange listings. If you are going to buy or sell this token later on off of PancakeSwap, there is a 5% tax on buys and sells and maybe transfers. So you will have to set your slippage around 5%. 1% goes to liquidity. 2% marketing, 2% goes to the dev. Lastly, we have the roadmap here, starting with pre-sale, launch, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, ApeDex, Dex Screener, other data aggregators trending on there, listing on major exchanges, news articles, community growth, huge marketing, ambassadors program, 100,000 holders, and meme takeover. So that is basically about it. Go check out this pre-sale down below. Links will be down there. Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.